Riwruok Jochiw thieth ma pacho ka kuso koro golo milome ma ndalo 7 ne sirkal mondo chiw chudo kod keto makare lwasi mar tich makare ne laktache ma jopuonjre. E romo makende manokelo kanyakla jatend kuso e pacho ka, jagoro maduong' mar riwruogno George Gibore okwayo jatend piny William Ruto mondo chop singo manochiwo ne jochiw thiethgo. Komachielo bende, jopuonjrego olero pek ma gisebedo ka gikale ma giwacho ni osekelo ne moko kuomgi chandruok mar tuoche mag paro.
He promised that the money for intern is now available. Why is it that the ministry has not posted them up to date? And now we want to say, for those who have been working without pay, they must be paid because that money is so little. If they will not pay in the end of this month, we will actually call them out and this facility will be left.
We work daily from Monday to Monday, no offs. And from Monday to Monday, the time is from 8 up to 8 in the evening, sometimes even further. We do night shifts, and the pay is very meager, by the way. We are here, we signed for 15,000, but in real sense, we are given 9,000. That is almost, even after all those taxations, we have only 9,000 in our banks.
And we have been here for the past 120 days with no pay, and we are posted here to offer services for the nation. Actually, you cannot be offering services and yet there's nothing in your pocket. You'll be suffering, and yet imagine I'm having blood stains with even no soap in my house, just pay for the basic commodities. So I'm urging the government actually to release our funds.